What size breast implants should you get? So that is a complicated question, but let's break it down. So first of all, I want you to get the size of breast implants that you want as long as it is safe and appropriate for your soft tissues. The initial part of a breast augmentation consultation involves measuring you. In other words, I'm going to measure a bunch of different aspects of your chest and your breast to determine what base width implants fit your chest and your breast. We'll combine those measurements and that information with how much volume you like added to a bra when you try on implants in a bra. And that basically helps us determine both what size implants you should get and what the measurements of that implant should be to most appropriately fit your body and achieve your goals. I think it's important that you don't get too hung up on the profiles of the implants or what your friend had. It's more important that we rely on the measurements of your body and what volume you like added in a bra to determine what implants fit your body best and achieve your goals. We will also utilize 3D imaging with the Chrysalex system, and you can look at this at home. What this lets us do is it's a computer algorithm that will give us an idea of what you will look like with certain implants in your body. Now, the program's not perfect, of course, and it doesn't work if your breasts have any ptosis or if you need a lift, but it gives you a general idea of what change you can expect if you get a certain type of implants put in your body. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.